Hello and welcome everyone. Myself CMA Bhagyashree. Today we are going to continue our topic, that is illustrations of CMA Inter paper number 6 syllabus 2022. In this video we will solve illustration number 19. Earlier we have completed almost all the illustrations. Okay, so here in this video we are completing illustration number 19. Following is the summary of receipt and payment of RR Clinic for the year ended 31st March 2022. Okay, so this is the summary. Opening cash balances and everything is given related to receipt and payment till this. Okay, next here additional information is given, and they are asking to prepare us receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account and balance sheet for that particular year, that is 31st March 2022. Okay, so let's start. Here we have prepared receipt and payment account. It's a income and expenditure account. It's a balance sheet as on 31st March 2022. But in this question they don't have given us capital fund, so there is need to prepare opening balance sheet also. Along with that some accounts for working note, that is subscription account, creditor for medicine supply account. Okay, and here it is working for material consumed. Here it is medical equipments, and here finally we are getting opening balance sheet which will give us capital fund. Okay, so let's start. See, very simple steps I am going to take. See, first of all I am referring this receipt and payment account. By using this receipt and payment account summary, we can prepare the receipt and payment account. So I am not referring these items, okay, because these items are additional items regarding outstanding and advances items. So I am just referring this part which is summary of receipt and payment account. So just I am copying whatever amount is coming in and whatever amount is going out, just recording. Okay, so first of all opening cash balance. Opening cash balance we know that receipt and payment account के debit में आएगा. Brought down, that is 56,000. so this is nothing but your opening cash balance. Okay, thereafter donation received including 50,000 for building fund. This information is not related to your receipt and payment account. बिल्डिंग फंड वाला इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर में और बैलेंस शीट में लेते वक्त कंसिडर करना है, बस अमाउंट कितना है दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ठीक है, सो रिसिट साइड टू डोनेशन रिसीव्ड, दैट्स इट. ओके, डोनेशंस received. First of all I am completing receipt and payment account. Okay, so just consider the item which are related to receipt and payment account. After that next is payment to creditors for medicine supply. Okay, payment to creditors बोला है, so payment side में आएगा. Okay, so by payment to creditors for medicine supply, which is 2,10,000. It's very simple to prepare receipt and payment account because summary is given. Okay, after that salary, purchase of medical equipments. Okay, these two items will also go in payment side. Okay, because money is going out. So salary, it is 70,000. Thereafter purchase of purchase of medical equipment, that is 1,05,000. It's 1,05,000. Okay, 1,05,000. Thereafter मेडिकल कैंप कलेक्शंस, कलेक्शन मतलब कलेक्ट किया है मनी, सो इट वुड बी ऑन रिसीट साइड. मेडिकल कैंप कलेक्शंस, मेडिकल कैंप कलेक्शंस, that is 87,500. thereafter subscription received, that is 3,50,000. Okay, thereafter interest on investment, it means it is receipts. Okay, interest on investment, 63,000. Honorarium to the doctors, it means payment is given to the doctors. So because this is RR clinic, so payment is given to the doctors, obviously it is on payment side. So by that is 1,90,000. Then telephone expenses, obviously payment side, telephone expenses 6,000. Thereafter medical camp expense and miscellaneous expense, payment side. Okay, so by medical camp expense 10,500 and by miscellaneous expense 7,000. Okay, see, this additional information is related to that particular year, so this is related to your balance sheet. Normally it is related to your balance sheet because these are the balances are given. Okay, I will use it later. First of all, I am going to close now receipt and payment account because items related to receipt and payment is over. So I will get the closing balance here. Okay, so let's close. So they have tell us to prepare receipt and payment account, income and expenditure and balance sheet. So one work will be completed, that is, I'm just taking a total of debit side, 56,000, 1,55,000, 87,500, 3,50,000, 63,000, it is 7,11,500. So we will deduct all the credit item from this 7,11,500. So minus 2,10,000, minus 70,000, minus 1,05,000, minus 1,90,000, minus 6,000, minus 10,500, 7,000 minus, that is 1,13,000. 1,13,000. This is nothing but your buy balance carried down. Okay, and we know that this balance will go to the closing balance sheet and this balance will go to the opening balance sheet. Okay, so finally I am completing here receipt and payment account. Now see, I have already told you that this data is specifically related to your opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. Okay, so it is better to prepare the balance sheet first and thereafter I will prepare the income and expenditure account. Okay, because data is given very particularly, so I am just preparing the things whatever I am getting. Okay, so first of all, opening balance sheet, here asset side is given. Okay, in that we know that opening cash balance will go, that is 56,000. Okay, so cash in hand, we can say cash in hand or else cash balance 56,000. Thereafter all these items are related to your opening balance sheet because date is given. Okay, so subscription due, due means outstanding, so it's a asset, subscription due, that is outstanding 10,500. Thereafter subscription received in advance liability. Okay, so subscription or else we can say advance subscription, so advance subscription is 8,400. Thereafter stock of medicine, stock of medicine is always asset, so stock of medicines that is 70,000 is a asset. Thereafter medical equipments 1,47,000, medical equipments 1,47,000. Thereafter building is given 3,50,000. There is no depreciation, nothing else. Okay, just record building, it is 3,50,000. Thereafter creditor for medicine supply, okay, 63,000. creditors बोला है तो liability में आएगा creditors. Okay, in this question receipt and payment account is easy, both the balance sheets are easy, but income and expenditure account quite difficult, or up to the some extent it is complicated. So just try to understand the income and expenditure account. Okay, here investment is given, obviously asset side investment, that is 7 lakh. Okay, so whatever item which are related to your opening balances I have done, I have recorded. Now we will calculate, or we will find out the capital fund. So first of all we will take the total of your asset side. Okay, so here 1,47,000 plus 3,50,000 plus 70,000 plus 7 lakh plus 56,000 plus 10,500, it is 13 lakh 33,500. Okay, 13 lakh 33,500 minus 8,400 minus 63,000. Okay, so here we are getting 12 lakh 62,100. Okay, as your capital fund. So capital fund, which is balancing figure 12 lakh 62,100. 12 lakh 62,100. So here we have completed opening balance sheet, which was not asked, but we have prepared just to get your capital fund. Okay, so now we will concentrate on your closing balance sheet. Okay, so first of all I will write this capital fund which we have calculated. Capital fund inner side 12,62,100. 12,62,100. Okay, thereafter I will directly record the balance that which we have calculated in receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment का जो balance हम लोग ने calculate किया, that is cash in hand, जो हम लोग ने अभी calculate किया 1,13,000. Okay, 1,13,000. Thereafter I will record all the items which are related to your 31st March 2022. Okay, it's very simple to prepare the balance sheet. First of all, subscription due means outstanding. So asset subscription due, that is outstanding 15,400. Thereafter subscription received in advance. So advance subscription is your liability. Advance subscription, that is 4,900. Thereafter stock of medicine. Okay, same items are there which we have already recorded in your opening balance sheet. So stock of medicine, it is 1,05,000. Okay, thereafter medical equipments. Okay, medical equipments, it is 2,14,200. 2,14,200. Thereafter building is there. Building, it is 3,15,000. 3,15,000. Then creditors for medicine. Okay, so here creditors for medicine supply. Creditors for medicine supply, that is 91,000. 91,000. And last is investment, which is nothing but your asset. So investments, it is 7 lakh. Okay, so after investment we have completed the balance sheet data, but now we cannot close this balance sheet because we don't have here surplus or deficit. So after getting surplus or deficit we will complete this balance sheet. So almost 98% work is done of balance sheet, only 2% work, that is surplus work, is pending. So here we have completed two parts, that is receipt and payment account and closing balance sheet. Now only income and expenditure account is pending and its related working notes are pending. Okay, so let's start income and expenditure account. Okay, in that first one, see, opening cash balance we have already recorded in receipt and payment account and opening balance sheet, so it is over. After that donation received 155 we have recorded in your receipt and payment account, so it is over. But here 50,000 for building fund they are telling us. So building fund we know that where it is recorded. See, building fund हमेशा क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट में जाएगा, राइट. यहाँ पे क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट में बिल्डिंग फंड, because it's a fund, so building fund 50,000. okay, so basically there is a bifurcation of this 1,55,000 अमाउंट हम लोग ने रिसीव किया था, उसका बाइफर्गेशन है. 50,000 is building fund which is on liability side, okay, of your balance sheet, and balance that is 1,05,000. okay, so balance is 1,05,000 is nothing but normal donation. So normal donation यानी कि income and expenditure account. okay, so normal donation I am writing here. See, by donations received, okay, by donations received, that is 1,05,000. okay, from where I am getting, see, rupees 1,55,000 we received, from that 50,000 is for building fund, so balance is 1,05,000. I hope you are getting me. okay, so finally here we have completed this item also, because received is over, building fund is over, and thereafter this donation recording is over in income and expenditure account. ठीक है. Next, payment to creditors for a medicine supply. okay, 2,10,000 payment. This entry we have done in receipt and payment account, but item related to this medicine supply we have prepared one working note. okay, creditors for medicine supply account. okay, so first of all I have to record this balance in this particular account. ठीक है. इसका बैलेंस देखो, ओपनिंग में कितना है 63,000 एंड क्लोजिंग इज 91,000. ठीक है. ओपनिंग में सी क्रेडिटर बोला है तो बैलेंस आपका क्रेडिट में जाएगा. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन, ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज 63,000, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस टू balance carried down it is 91,000. okay, because I want what amount of what a value of a medicine purchase. मेडिसिन परचेस का वैल्यू नहीं दिया है, इसके लिए हमको ये अकाउंट प्रिपेयर करना पड़ रहा है. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे ये मेरा ऑलरेडी बैलेंस शीट्स में भी चला गया और वर्किंग नोट में भी चला गया. सो ये खत्म. ओके, अभी देखो, payment made to creditors for medicine supply we have recorded in receipt and payment account, but we are having creditors for medicine supply account. okay, so in that we are recording. so entry क्या आएगा यहाँ पे, creditor account debit to payment मतलब cash bank normal entry. okay, but यहाँ पे creditor account debit to payment के लिए cash bank के जगह पे हम लोग receipt and payment लिखेंगे. ठीक है. so creditors account debit to receipt and payment account, receipt and payment account. I hope you are getting me. I am doing this entry to get the value of medicine purchase. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे मैंने ये भी रिकॉर्ड कर दिया है, तो ये अपना बात खत्म हो गया. ओके. उसके बाद सैलरी 70,000. ओके, सैलरी 70,000 पे हुआ था. उसके बाद यहाँ पे कोई भी एडजस्टमेंट सैलरी के ऊपर नहीं है. इट मीन्स सैलरी वॉज नॉट आउटस्टैंडिंग एडवांस एट ऑल. ओके, सो यहाँ पे सैलरी डायरेक्ट कहाँ पे जाएगा, आपका एक्सपेंडिचर में जाएगा, क्योंकि कुछ भी एडजस्टमेंट्स नहीं है. ठीक है. सो टू सैलरीज यहाँ पे थोड़ा सोच सोच के आपको करना पड़ेगा इन केस ऑफ इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट. ठीक है. सो सैलरी इज ओवर. देन परचेज ऑफ मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स. ओके, सो मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स, सी फॉर मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स वी आर हैविंग इट्स अकाउंट. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमको क्या करना है, अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड करना है. ठीक है. चलो, तो सबसे, क्योंकि हमारे पास डेप्रिसिएशन नहीं है मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट का, दैट्स वाई वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग दिस अकाउंट. ठीक है. सो इफ वी हैव परचेज द मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स, ओके, वी हैव मेड दिस एंट्री इन रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट. ठीक है. तो देखो यहाँ पे जैसे कि सैलरी का हम लोग ने कहाँ पे लिया था, सी सैलरी क्रेडिट साइड में था, इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर में डेबिट साइड में चला गया. वैसे ही परचेस ऑफ मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स यहाँ पे क्रेडिट साइड में है, तो परचेस ऑफ मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट जो मतलब मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट जो अकाउंट है वहाँ पे कहाँ पे जाएगा, डेबिट में. कॉमन सेंस वाली बात है. एंट्री क्या आएगा, मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. कैश मीन्स रिसीट एंड पेमेंट. सो यहाँ पे टू फॉर बैलेंस आई एम जस्ट लिविंग द स्पेस. ओके, एंड देन आई एम राइटिंग. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे टू रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट. receipt and payment account. Amount is 1,05,000. Amount is 1,05,000. Okay, so here I have recorded this also. Along with that, we should record this balance of medical equipment, so that we will close the account very soon. It is opening balance, it is closing balance. Okay, मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट ये एक असेट है तो उसको डेबिट बैलेंस रहेगा. ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज 147 एंड हियर क्लोजिंग बैलेंस is already given, that is 2,12,000, sorry, 2,14,200. Okay, so here we have completed this item also. Okay, thereafter medical camp collections. Okay, we have already recorded in your receipt side. Okay, now in income side we are going to record. Okay, medical camp collection. Here it is income side. So by medical camp collections, whatever money you are receiving, it is income, 87,500. Okay, thereafter subscription received. We are having account for subscription, so I am going to record all the items which are related to subscription now only. Okay, so this is your subscription account. First of all we will record the balances and then I am going to record this entry. ठीक है, see, subscription due. Due means outstanding. Okay, outstanding subscription is the asset. Okay, outstanding subscription क्या होता है? Asset. So debit balance, so by balance brought down, that is outstanding. दिस इज 10,500. ठीक है, ये लास्ट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग है. अभी ये ऑपोजिट साइड में जाएगा, क्लोजिंग वाला. सो बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन. ओके, तो ये क्या है? आउटस्टैंडिंग ही है लेकिन करंट ईयर का, दैट इज 15,400. ओके, सो हियर आई हैव रिकॉर्डेड बोथ द आइटम्स. ओके, दिस इज एंड दिस इज. नाउ सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस. एडवांस मतलब अपोजिट में जाएगा बिकॉज इट इज अ लाइबिलिटी. So by balance brought down, already we have done all this kind of questions. Okay, so subscription received in advance last year का है 8,400, so it's a opening balance and here it should be closing balance to balance carried down, which is nothing but your advance. Amount is given 4,900. 4,900. Okay, so here this subscription advance item is done. Okay, now I am recording this subscription received 3,50,000. What will be the journal entry? Subscription account debit, sorry, receipt and payment account debit to subscription because money is coming in. So receipt and payment account debit to subscription, right? तो यहाँ पे सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट के कौन से साइड में जाएगा? क्रेडिट में. ओके, इफ वी चेक, सी, सब्सक्रिप्शन आपका जो रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट है वहाँ पे देखो कहाँ पे आया है सब्सक्रिप्शन. सी, सब्सक्रिप्शन कहाँ पे आया है? डेबिट में. तो सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट में कहाँ में जाएगा? क्रेडिट में. सो हियर बाय रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट, रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट, that is 3,50,000 is the subscription received amount. So here we have completed this. Thereafter interest on investment is given. Okay, 63,000 we have received. Okay, so we have received, it means a normal income. Okay, we will close subscription account later, but I am just completing all the items which don't have any adjustment. So here it is income, interest on investment, interest on investments, which is your 63,000. Okay, thereafter see, these are very normal expenses. फटाफट we will record. Honorarium to the doctors, telephone expenses, medical camp expense, miscellaneous expense. Okay, okay, all these items will be on expenditure side because they don't have any kind of adjustment. So फटाफट I am recording. Okay, 1,90,000, then expense 6,000, then मेडिकल कैंप एक्सपेंस एंड मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंस। ठीक है, 4 आइटम थे, सारे रिकॉर्ड हो चुके हैं, तो कट करते हैं, मतलब अपना टेंशन कम। ओके चलो, तो डन। यहाँ पे अभी कुछ भी बाकी नहीं है। ओके, ये ऑलरेडी हो चुका है। ठीक है, चलो तो यहाँ पे ये भी हो गए हैं। नाउ जो भी बैलेंस जो भी दिख रहा है वो हमको रिकॉर्ड करना है। ठीक है, अभी देखो इन्वेस्टमेंट में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं है, तो हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, बैलेंस शीट में हम लोग ने रिकॉर्ड किया है। उसके बाद अभी बचा है कौन, बिल्डिंग बचा है, एंड देन बिल्डिंग बचा है और स्टॉक ऑफ मेडिसिन बचा है। ठीक है, चलो तो चेक करते हैं। सबसे पहले रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट क्लोज हुआ है, इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर बाकी है, उसकी वजह से बैलेंस शीट बाकी है। ओके, नाउ वी विल कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर वर्किंग नोट्स। सो हियर फर्स्ट वर्किंग नोट वॉज सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट। आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज इट बिकॉज ऑल द एडजस्टमेंट्स आर डन। सो क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल लेते हैं 8,400 प्लस 3,50,000 प्लस 15,400। ओके, एक टाइम में आपको ये क्वेश्चन में भी समझ में नहीं आएगा, आपको 2-3 बार वीडियोस रेफर करना है ताकि आपको आराम से समझ में आएगा। ठीक है, माइनस 10,500 माइनस 4,900। ओके, वी आर गेटिंग 3,58,400। दिस विल ट्रांसफर टू योर इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट। यहाँ पे हम लोग डेबिट साइड में है, तो इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर में क्रेडिट साइड में जाएंगे। इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट विच इज़ नथिंग बट बैलेंसिंग फिगर, विच इज़ नथिंग बट बैलेंसिंग फिगर। ओके, सो यहाँ पे डेबिट में है तो इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर के क्रेडिट में जाएंगे बाय सब्सक्रिप्शन, बाय सब्सक्रिप्शन, नॉट अ रिसीव्ड बिकॉज एडजस्ट किया हुआ है। ठीक है, चलो सो 3,58,400। ओके, then we are going to close next account, that is creditors for medicine supply. ओके, सो यहाँ पे देखो डेबिट साइड इज मोर 2,10,000 प्लस 91, इट इज 3,01,000 minus 63. So here we are getting 2,38,000. Okay, see क्रेडिटर फॉर मेडिसिन सप्लाई, उनको पेमेंट हमारा बाकी है, इसीलिए हम लोग के लिए वो क्या है, क्रेडिटर। सो दे आर द क्रेडिटर बिकॉज वी आर पेएबल, अमाउंट इज पेएबल। ठीक है, सो हियर मेडिसिन सप्लाई, इट मीन्स दिस इज द परचेज अमाउंट। ठीक है, सो बाय इट इज नथिंग बट परचेज ऑफ मेडिसिन, परचेज ऑफ मेडिसिन, परचेज ऑफ मेडिसिन। सी opening balance was 63, we have purchased the medicine, so total is 3,01,000. After that we have paid 2,10,000, then balance is 91. So this is nothing but your purchase of medicine. This doesn't matter because this will not shown in your income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure में हमको क्या दिखाना है, material consume. Okay, material consume, sorry, medicine consume. Okay, it should be medicine consume. By mistake I have written material, so it's a medicine consume. First of all opening medicine का stock. Okay, यहाँ पे already दिया है, देखो हम लोग को रिकॉर्ड करना है। stock of medicine 70,000 opening and closing is 1,05,000. Okay, so this item will also done, 70,000 and 1,05,000. 70,000 ओपनिंग, मतलब पहले हम लोग ने पुराना वाला स्टॉक यूज़ किया, क्लोजिंग में बचा है 1,05,000, और यहाँ पे हम लोग ने परचेज कितना किया था, 2,38,000. ओके, दीज आर वेरी बेसिक एडजस्टमेंट्स. ओके, तो 70,000 ओपनिंग, 238 परचेज माइनस क्लोजिंग, सो कंज्यूम इज योर रियल एक्सपेंस, दैट इज 2,03,000. ओके, तो ये कंज्यूम जो है वो जाएगा आपके इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर में. ठीक है, बिकॉज दैट इज अ रियल एक्सपेंस. सो यहाँ पे आएगा टू मेडिसिन्स consume, medicines consume 2,03,000. From where we got? From working note. Here it is also from working note. Okay, so here we have completed these items. Okay, now only building is pending. Okay, in case of building, see, opening building is 3,50,000, which is we have recorded in your opening balance sheet, and this is closing balance sheet. So why this difference is there? This difference is there due to depreciation. Okay, now we are going to record the depreciation. So depreciation on, first of all, building. It's very simple. Opening figure was 3,50,000, closing figure is 3,15,000. It means there is a depreciation. Okay, so 3,50,000 minus 3,15,000, it's a 35,000. 35,000 का क्या है? Depreciation है. Okay, like that we are going to close our last working note account, that is medical equipments. Okay, see, debit side total 147 plus 1,05,000, it is 2,52,000 is the total. 2,52,000 is the total, minus 2,14,200 is the closing balance. So 37,800 is your balance, which is nothing but income and expenditure account I am writing, because here we are on credit side and there we are going to write on debit side. Income and expenditure account, it is nothing but your depreciation. Okay, balancing figure. I hope you are getting me. So it is 37,800. medical equipment 37,800. ठीक है, अभी सारे आइटम्स रिकॉर्ड हो गए हैं. लुक एट द क्वेश्चन, एवरीथिंग इज कंप्लीटेड. ओके, now I am going to close my income and expenditure account, and finally we are going to tally our balance sheet, so we will complete our work. Okay, so first of all, we'll take a total of your credit side. Okay, let's check which side is more. Okay, first of all, so just take a total of credit side. 1,05,000, 87,500, 63,000, 3,58,400. Okay, so it's a 6,13,900. 6,13,900 minus 70,000 minus 1,90,000 minus 6,000 minus 10,500 minus 7,000 minus 2,03,000 minus 35,000 minus 37,800. So I am getting here 54,600. Okay, so this is to surplus, which is nothing but balancing figure. Okay, now we are going to add this surplus in your capital fund. So add surplus. So here we are adding 12,62,100 plus 54,600. Okay, 13,16,700. 13,16,700. So just take a total of asset side, so we will get a tally amount. Okay, 1,05,000 plus 2,14,200 plus 3,15,000 plus 7 lakh plus 15,400 plus 1,13,000. So here we are getting 14,62,600. Now liability side, 13,16,700 plus 50,000 plus 4,900 plus 91,000. So here we are getting same amount, 14,62,600. Okay, so here we have completed receipt and payment account, thereafter income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Okay, so here we have completed illustration number 19. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel playlist to get more videos on various topics, and also join my Telegram group to get a notes. With link is given in description box. Thanks for watching, friends.